Welcome! In front of me I have a Vivax Lifefit Hero Kids smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with an iPhone. First, if your watch is turned off, you need to turn it on, and you can do it by pressing and holding the side button. Mine is already turned on. After you turn on the watch, you will need to download and install the HardReset Pro application on your iPhone. So let's open the App Store on our iPhone. In the App Store, tap on search right here, then tap on the search bar, type in HardReset Pro and tap on search. You should see this application right here, HardReset Pro. Tap on it to select it, and then tap on Get button to download and install it. Now I'm gonna tap on install and confirm by entering the password. So give me a couple of seconds. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open button to open it. Now let's deal with the pop-ups right here. So first pop-up is asking us to allow the permission to send the notifications to the watch. So if you want to receive the notifications on your watch, you need to allow it. If you don't, you can tap on don't allow. Now we have the Bluetooth notification. We can tap on OK or don't allow. If you want to use the watch with your phone, you need to tap on OK. Also make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. Now let's tap on the arrow right here to continue. And here we can either create a new account or log in into an account. Also, you can skip the creating and logging in. You can use a temporary account basically. To do it, you need to tap on sign in, and then you will have the option right here in the top right corner to skip the logging in. I'm just gonna skip it, but if you want, you can create an account or log in. I'm gonna tap on sign in, and here we have the tourist option. If you tap on it, you will basically use temporary account. I'm just gonna tap on it. Then enter the nickname. Tap on proceed. Here we can enter the date of birth. Then proceed. Select the gender, proceed. Unit formats, then proceed. Height, and proceed. Weight, and proceed. You can set up your goals. Then tap on proceed. And once you're done setting up your profile, the app will start looking for the watches. If your Lifefit Hero won't appear on the list, or rather right here, you can tap on more to open the whole list, and you can tap on refresh to refresh the list. As you can see now, it appeared right here, Vivax Hero. Tap on it, tap on action, then tap on pair. Here we can go back to that. Again, we have another pop-up about notifications. So if you want to receive the notifications on your watch, tap on allow. Also, we got the pop-up about the location. I don't know why they are so delayed, but okay, let's allow them or deny them. And now we can allow or deny the permission for the health stuff like active energy steps and stuff like that. You can select them or rather enable them and then tap on allow. And now you should see the home page of the app. If you tap on the profile icon, it will bring you to this page, and on this page you can see device, and as you can see our Vivax Hero here, that means that the watch is connected to our phone. And that's how you pair this watch with an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.